Is your AC struggling to keep up with Dubai's heat? Imagine coming home to a cool, refreshing space even on the hottest days. That's exactly what we make possible. Today, we are on Bluewaters Island, one of Dubai's most luxurious destinations, providing top notch AC services to ensure every home and business stays perfectly chilled. But before we dive into today's work, let me share a little bit about our journey and how we built Happy Brothers Air Conditioning from the ground up. A few years ago, we started this company with one simple goal to provide fast, reliable, and expert AC services across Dubai, whether it's residential homes, offices, or high end hotels. We have handled it all, from small maintenance jobs to major AC installations. Our commitment has always been to deliver the best service with complete customer satisfaction. Now we are growing, not just offline, but also on social media, sharing our journey every day. Bluewaters Island is known for its luxury with stunning waterfront apartments, five-star hotels, and attraction like in Dubai. But just like anywhere else in Dubai, AC system here work overtime to keep spaces cool. That's where we come in. Our services ensure that homes and businesses on Blue Waters Island enjoy uninterrupted cooling, whether it's a routine AC checkup or an emergency repair. Now let's get to the work. Today we have a service request from a client whose AC is not cooling properly. This is the common issue in Dubai, especially due to a clogged filter, gas leaks, or a compressor problems. We will inspect the unit, check the refrigerant levels, clean the filters, and make sure everything is working efficiently. And just like that, AC is back to working perfectly. The client is happy, and that's what matters most to us. Whether it's a minor service or a major repair, we ensure that our customer receive the best AC solutions. At Happy Brother Air Conditioning, we offer a wide range of services, including AC installation. Whether you need a new unit for your home or office, we ensure professional installation. AC maintenance, regular servicing to keep your AC running efficiently and avoid costly breakdowns. Emergency AC repair, fast and reliable fixes when your AC stop working. Duct cleaning, improving air quality by removing dust and debris from your AC ducts. Gas refilling, ensuring your AC provides the best cooling performance. Our mission is simple to keep Dubai cool, one AC at a time. If you are on Blue Waters Island or anywhere in Dubai and need expert AC services, you know who to call. And if you are enjoying our journey, support us by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and following us on social media. We are documenting our growth every day, and we would love to have you be the part of it. See you in the next video.